Welcome to Study Loop.
So let's first draw out the system. We have a rod. And at either end of the rod, we have mass. And then in the middle, we also have a mass. So this would be M, M, M. And then we know that the rod itself has negligible mass. So rod, no mass. And then we have our L, the length of this rod. And then for part A, this is going to be the axis of rotation. And then for part B, this will be our axis of rotation. From here to here, this is L over 4. And then from here to here, this is going to be L over 2. So at this point, we can then go ahead. So we know that moment of inertia equals mr squared. And then we know that all of these m's equal each other. So we can just say m1 equals m2 equals m3. So for part A, when the axis of rotation is directly in the middle, we can say m, and then r would be L over 2 squared plus m L over 2 squared. So these account for these two masses here, this mass and this mass. And because this mass lies on the axis of rotation, you can account for it, but it's going to go away because it would be 0. The r defines the distance from the mass to the axis of rotation. So if you lie on the axis of rotation, your r value is going to be 0. So that's why we don't have that's why we don't need to account for the mass in the middle. And this is going to be equal to ml squared over 2. So this would be ml squared over 4. So ml squared over 4 plus ml squared over 4, ml squared over 2. For part B, this is going to be the axis of rotation. So, sorry, this will be equals I. And I is going to be equal to, let's account for this one. So we have m and then L over 4 squared plus, let's account for this one, m L over 4 squared. And then let's account for this one. This is going to be L over 2 plus 1/4. So this is going to be m 3L over 4 squared. And this is going to equal 11ml squared over 16, because we have 16. The common denominator for all of these is 16, and it'll be 3 squared, 9, and then this will be 10, 11, so 11 over 16 times ml squared. And this will be your I for part B. And that's the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.